Hello, YouTubers and kababayan. I've been getting a lot of messages in regards to the travel insurance. They're telling me that some people, when they board their plane, they don't get asked for their travel insurance. So now we know there's some people that actually get away with it. Or not, I don't mean that way. There's some people who made it to the Philippines without being asked for their travel insurance. Well, my point of view of that is they were not asked. Don't take a chance. I'll give you an example. I travel a lot going back and forth to the Philippines, about 4 to 6 times a year. So I was doing this on my luggage. I was actually thinking maybe if I, go over 1 pound, that the clerk or the agent will not, cite me for this. So I go 1 pound over the weight limit. She lets me go. She doesn't say anything. Then I fly again. The next time I go another 1 pound, all right, another pound over the weight limit on my luggage. I got away with it. She didn't say anything. And then one time, this guy says, "Sir, you're 1 pound over." And I was shocked. So me and him were arguing back and forth. I told him, like, I fly a lot. I do business with you guys. I mean, I fly 6 times a year with you guys. So I tried to reason out with him. And then after I was done ranting and raving, he tells me, "Sir, you're still 1 pound over." So I got away with it. But this time then I was checked. So that's going to be the same thing with the travel insurance. If you want to take a chance on taking a flight without the travel insurance, you're risking your flight to go to the Philippines to see your loved ones and to enjoy life. So if I were you guys, don't take a risk. And I'm a risk taker. But when it comes to flying to the Philippines, I do not want to take a risk. Because you know why? I'm happy in the Philippines. Once I land, well, you don't know how excited I get. I'm like a little kid. I don't know about you guys. I mean, I'm happy over there. So anyways, I just want to make sure you guys have a different point of view, because if they're telling you that they don't check and you might think that's okay, I'm going to give you my perspective. Like about the luggage, I go 1 pound over the weight limit. I got away with it many times, and then one time or one day, the other guy, he wouldn't let me go with it. So I had to take out 1 pound. So there's my lesson. And here's another example. Everybody drives, right? You guys drive your car. And if the speed limit says 65 miles an hour, there's so many times you could go over 65 miles an hour. You're going about 75, right? Nobody gives you a ticket. But one day, you get caught for going 75 on a 65-mile limit. So you get a ticket. So yes, you can get away with it, but there's times that you can't. Now, with a flight on hand, you're at LAX, you're getting excited, you want to, you're throwing in your luggage and you're checking in, and then you take a chance with no travel insurance, and then they deny your entry. That would really suck. I don't know. Look, I found one that's $25. And then as soon as I uploaded the video, I guess a lot of people jumped on it, and the price went up to $58 for me. And the other company went up to $140. There's even one gentleman from UK, I think. He's 68 years old, I think. And he said he got one for $50. Right after I uploaded it, he got on the website and got one for $50. But see, if he waited, it would probably cost him maybe $80 or $100. So guys, check out the website for the one I posted, and get your insurance while it's still cheap, because everybody's gonna get on it, and it's gonna drive the price higher. So what I'm trying to tell you guys is, yes, you guys do hear people talking about they were asked for the travel insurance, and you hear people say you can argue with the airline about presenting your Blue Cross Health insurance, your Kaiser, your Medicare. Man, you could do that all day long. All it takes is for the agent to be stubborn or following the rules, and she says, nope, if he doesn't say travel insurance, you can't board. Now your vacation is ruined. So, I mean, you could argue all day long about your health coverage here in America. If the agent, the gatekeeper, doesn't understand that, and she's trained to just look at a piece of document saying, you must say travel insurance, COVID-19 covered, more than minimum $35,000. If she doesn't see those keywords, man, she could deny your flight. She can say, sorry, sir or ma'am, maybe next time you can fly, but this time you're not gonna fly. And that would really hurt you and the family that is expecting, waiting for you at the airport in Naia or Cebu. Yeah, so don't take a chance, please. I'm saying this from my experience, from flying every time. I got away with some, but sometimes I don't get away with it. All right, kababayan, I just want to give you guys my input, perspective of taking a chance on your flight. And I'm telling you guys, please don't take a chance. You have a family waiting in the Philippines, a girlfriend, a wife, a mother, father. You don't want to break their heart just because you want to show the government of the Philippines that you're more correct. Yeah, you could show them you're more correct, but you're not going to get on that flight. So guys, all right guys, so it's just my opinion. I mean, you don't have to listen to it. All right guys, so don't miss your flight. That's what I'm saying right now. All right, kababayan and YouTubers, I love you guys, and please message me if you have any question. I'm pretty fast in responding and stuff. If I don't respond, it's because I don't have signal. Right now, I have a good signal because there's no trees. All right, I love you guys. Peace out.